Collaborating with external manufacturing partners is not an easy job. The reality is that the tools that were supposed to help us often creates obstacles. For instance, many users still find it challenging to share a design file with a colleague or an external partner in a secure and simple way. As a result, many organizations simply accept delays and mistakes as a natural part of their product development journey. You may recognize this scenario. A company is about to develop a new product that is going to be manufactured by one of their external manufacturing partners. Quickly, several folders located on different network drives starts to pop up. Once the development evolves, several versions of drawings, specifications and requirements are stored in the folder structures. Finally, the product documentation is done and ready to be sent to the manufacturing partner, who starts producing the products. When the company receives the product a few weeks later, something is wrong. Due to an outdated version of some of the data, something went wrong. We are going to change this scenario with Minerva PLM. Minerva PLM instantly generates a product package when needed with the latest revisions of everything, making sure your colleagues and external partners receives the correct data. It's that simple, and it will make your work a lot easier. So let go of the idea of accepting delays and mistakes, and instead improve your collaboration with external partners.